Hello guys, pleasant afternoon wherever you are. Someone sent me a particular video today, a speech from the former president George Manuel Weah concerning the demolition today in the CDC headquarter. So I'll put a video out shortly, but I have some concern. I just want to know, realistically, this demolition exercise, was this demolition exercise done by this Unity Party government, or the owner of this said property took a legal action on the CDC as a party? I just want to know. 2, if it is confirmed that it was orchestrated or done directly or indirectly by Unity Party government or Unity Party as a party, I think it is a wrong step. Not supposed to happen. Yeah, fighting party in this manner does not give you, permanent, in a political landscape for our country. Your performance, hard work, not fighting other party to subdue the party in a way that people can, feel that the party is of nothing. I think that is not good for our democracy. And it's a wrong step. The only thing Unity Party can do is stand strong, do what CDC did not do when they were entrusted with the power. Not for you to come and fight them. Even if CDC fights you in this same manner, either they pass through somebody to push you from your headquarter. I don't think, if it was wrong yesterday, it's still wrong today. Yeah, so if, let's assume it is not, Unity Party don't have any villain or have no hand into what happened today, so be it. But if Unity Party was involved in it directly, it was very, very wrong. Wrong to, Liberia as a country, I think there is a need that we should, graduate from this kind of petty politics, man. Let put hands together, let's join hands. Yes, I may not be a sedition, but I can support this kind of thing. If we must develop this country, it have to be collectively done. We have to come together. Yes, regardless of our political opinion or our own way of politics, but I don't think what we saw today often well for our politics, our democracy. Let's fight together. Let's build the country. Let's put our party differences aside. Do not fight because you have the power today. I do support Unity Party government, but I don't support wrong acts. So if this was done by Unity Party, it was wrong. Yeah, let's pray, or let's assume it was only done by the owner of the property who wanted his line. That's if in that case, then yes, the person take CDC to the court, and the court took legal action. No problem. So guys, there's a video up there, and I listened to President George Weah speaking on the issue. He's a man of peace, according to the video. So listen to the video.
I have received today news of the evictions and destructions of our party headquarters. Unfortunate and regrettable. as this is. Remain law-abiding and respect due process in the interest of our democracy, the rule of law, and the peaceful coexistence among all Liberians, irrespective of party, social, ethnic, or tribal affiliations. Fellow Liberians, fellow partisans of the Coalition for Democratic Change, today we witness yet another testament of the Unity Party government gross disregard for the rule of law. Emboldened by impunity, they continue to abuse power, testing our nation's fragile peace and democracy. Their list of violations grows daily, from police brutality against ordinary citizens to outright disregard of court orders. We must, however, take the high road. In the interest of peaceful coexistence, I urge everyone to remain calm, law-abiding, and respectful of due process, despite this partisan political mischief from the Unity Party government. In the legal battle over the ownership of the CDC headquarters, our party has always followed the rule of law and openly stated its willingness to abide by the court final ruling, regardless of the outcome. Yet, before the battle was fully exhausted, the trigger-happy partisans leadership of the police force, with direct instruction from Waka himself, spurred into actions. This was not a lawful eviction. It was a failed mission to destroy and erase the CDC in an attempt to fulfill their very wish Waka has repeatedly expressed to his lieutenants. While executing this criminal act, they made the cheers of their partisans. They failed to notice the loud silence of the vast majority of ordinary Liberians. Our people are in disbelief at this administration. Reckless behavior in its quest to consolidate power. Posterity will punish